Here's a useful phrase in French. Pour moi. Pour moi. It means for me. Pour moi. So how would you say in French, it is for me? C'est pour moi. C'est pour moi. So pour means for, and moi means me. C'est pour moi. How would you say it isn't for me? Ce n'est pas pour moi. Ce n'est pas pour moi. It isn't good for me. Ce n'est pas bon pour moi. Ce n'est pas bon pour moi. It isn't very good for me. Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi. Ce n'est pas très bon pour moi. So pour moi means for me in French. But this phrase actually has two meanings. If you place pour moi at the start of a sentence in French, it can be used to mean in my opinion or I think. So if you want to say I think it is good, literally in French you would say for me it's good. So how would you say that? Pour moi c'est bon. Pour moi c'est bon. So it can be translated into English as I think it is good, or in my opinion it is good, but literally it means for me it is good. And when you hear French speakers try to speak English, occasionally you'll hear them say things like this. If they're giving their opinion, they might say, for me it's very good, rather than I think it's very good. And that's because that's how you can say it in French. Pour moi, c'est bon. I think it's good. So we've had, in this lesson so far, délicieux, which means delicious. Extraordinaire means extraordinary. Beau means beautiful. Then pour moi means for me, literally. But if you use pour moi at the start of a sentence, it can be translated into English as in my opinion or I think. So it's just a way of giving your opinion. That lesson was from my course 3-Minute French. If you enjoyed it and would like to keep learning, you can enroll on the full course at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Merci.